3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present a simple way to install and also make some testing with XL4015. It's a step down module. Let's get started and see. The product is a simple one. It's having an input. Here it's with two screws, and we can clearly see them that we have access to them through the PCB, so we can unscrew and screw them in an easy way. Same it's for the output. Let's unscrew them. So on the left side we have the input, plus and minus. On the right side we have the output, also plus and minus. We have also with screws possibility to adjust the current and the voltage. So we'll start playing with it and put it to a bench power source, make it in a simple way. So as we can see, we have an indicator for the voltage and we can adjust it. What we cannot see if we will adjust the current, because we have no devices connected to draw any power. So we'll put one, but first we will put it to a power meter just to check when we adjust it, if it's also reflected for the measurement unit. I'm using connectors because it's safe and also easy to work with them. Stop it for the moment.
System shut down. Welcome to Love Machine.
Okay, so we have a 23.8 and we have also on the multimeter 23.8. I set it to 200 because it's more than 20 and we have to put it higher. I'm changing now the voltage clockwise and counterclockwise. We are going now to 5 volts or close to 5 volts. .501 on the multimeter. So now we'll make another test. We'll put some engines and start running with them. Turn it off first. Let's go back again. Okay, so we are 5 volts and we see that the engines are running slow. The minimum what we can go on voltage side is, I think it's 1.3. Let's go there. .2 volts. will go up to 24. Okay, so we are up to 23.3. Now we're going to change the current, and we'll see the indicators when it will start to draw too much current. Okay, the indicator was lighting up, showing that we are going under. I will try to go to the edge of it. Okay, so 0.2 amps. Go again, dial it down. Okay. Going back. Now I'll put three light bulbs. This will take more amps, more current, but they are up 6 volts. I'll go with the voltage to 6. Okay, let's go to 5 point something, 5.7, and we will connect the lights. Let's do it like this. One more connector in. Okay, so I saw that immediately it jumped to 2 amps. Now I will decrease it. And the indicator, the onboard indicator, is showing that it's drawing too much current. Okay, going back. And try to be on the limit of 6 volts. Okay. I'll now change again the voltage. Okay, 1.1 the minimum, and we barely see the light bulbs up. Going back to 5. Yeah. Still not in specs for the light bulbs. I'll go to 6 volts and then we are in spec of light bulbs. I'll take them out. That's it for today.